Hi YouTube, it's your girl back with another one. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how I got to this hair color that you see right now in this clip. If you want to see how I did that, stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Anita. I'm back with another video. If you haven't seen how I got up to this point, click the last video so you can see and understand the whole process. This is the second part. This is how I'm going to tone my hair. I did use purple shampoo yesterday just to remove some extra brassiness. Anyways, I'm going to be using Wella T18 today and Wella T14 today in conjunction with a 20 volume developer. This is what is recommended with those toners. So if you've ever tried a less volume developer and it didn't tone to your liking, it's because that's not what was recommended. So I'm using 20. And then after that, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna mix it, come back, and show you guys how my hair looks. All right, as you guys can see, I have the toners lined up. I'm using 2 of each, T14, T18, and the developers, the 20 volume developers, like I said. And I'm going to be using also a demi clear shine coat because once you bleach your hair, it's not that glossy anymore because you broke down the protein layers of your hair. So I'm gonna add some shine back in. And I have this like mixing bowl here just to use plastic container. Don't use metal because then if you're using peroxide, which is a developer, it's gonna like have a chemical reaction and you're gonna get weird colors. So just use plastic. Hello, so I have this toner in. I think it's pretty much time to rinse it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. As you guys can see, it's a dark purple. Yeah, I don't want to be the purple nurple princess. And I'll show you guys how it looks once I'm done styling, or maybe after I rinse it out. We'll see. Bye. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how it looks when it's all said and done. Stirring my bangs again. Yeah. But anyways, this is how it's looking. It's not super even, but I do have 2 tones in my hair, so I'll take it. It's kind of like a grayish, blondish brown. I don't know. It's pretty unique. I like it. But that is my result. Hope you guys liked. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.